Hey guys, do you want to know how to make smoke come out of your mouth? I'm about to show you. I'll show you an example first. Okay. You see that? I hope you did. Okay. First, what you want to do is go like that, right? And then hold your breath. Well, let me just explain something to you. It's called water vapor or compressed air. So basically, yeah, that. And hold your breath and close your mouth too. And after we did that, go like and release lightly. If you do it too hard, you'll barely see it. And that's how you make smoke come out of your mouth. Bye.